Next, let me show you how to log into your live website so you can start building your websites. Now there's two ways on how to do this. The first way is you can actually just type in your domain name, so the one that you purchased. So mine was oriontutorial.com. Then you'll just type in -wp-admin, and this will bring you to the login screen. So here I'll enter that. And then here you can see that we're brought to our login screen. Now this is going to be the login credentials that you use when you sign up with WordPress. So here I'll enter in my email address. I'll click on the Remember Me box, and then I'll click on Login. So now we're using our live domain that we purchased from Hostinger. So if I go to Visit Sites, you're gonna see our website is now live on the internet. Now let's say, for example, you forgot your password or you don't know your WordPress credentials. No problem, you can always log in through Hostinger. I'll go over to our Hostinger accounts. If I go to Websites, and go to all websites, you're gonna see that your website's right here under your business package. You'll then just click on WP admin, and here you can log in directly through your WordPress website without entering any credentials. And there we go. So now we are logged in directly to our website using the Hostinger hPanel.